This is Alan from Businesses to Start on a Shoestring, and I'm going to talk to you today about cracking the code, how to achieve success in affiliate marketing. So the allure of affiliate marketing is undeniable. The freedom to be your own boss, the potential for passive income, and the ability to work from anywhere have made it a popular choice for many. But for every success story, there are countless tales of frustration and unfulfilled dreams. So what separates the affiliate marketing thrivers from the quitters? In this blog post, we'll unveil the key ingredients for building a sustainable and successful affiliate marketing career. Firstly, understanding the power of affiliate marketing. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy. You promote another company's products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You earn money by connecting people with valuable products, and the company gains a new customer. EAT, your way to success, building trust and authority. Here's a secret weapon for affiliate marketing success. EEAT. This acronym stands for expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. By establishing yourself as a reliable source of information within your chosen niche, you build trust with your audience, making them more receptive to your affiliate recommendations. Success is a journey, not a destination. Defining success in affiliate marketing is subjective. For some, it might be achieving a specific income goal. For others, it could be building a loyal following or establishing themselves as a thought leader within their niche. Regardless of your definition, remember that success is a journey, not a destination. Consistent effort, consistent learning, and a commitment to providing value are the cornerstones of a long-term achievement. Building a strong foundation, niche and platform. Choosing the right niche is paramount. Select a topic you're passionate about and have some level of experience in. This passion will fuel your content creation and resonate with your audience. Research your target audience to understand their needs and interests. Content is king and queen, creating value. Your website or chosen platform is your digital storefront. It should be visually appealing, user-friendly, and optimized for conversions. But the real magic lies in your content. Create high-quality, informative content that offers value to your audience. Focus on educating, entertaining, and solving their problems. This approach builds trust and positions you as a reliable source for product recommendations. Unleashing the power of visibility, traffic generation. Once you've established a strong foundation, it's time to attract visitors. Search engine optimization, SEO, plays a crucial role here. Optimize your content with relevant keywords to improve your website's ranking in search engine results pages. Social media is another potent tool. Share your content on relevant platforms, engage with your audience, and collaborate with other affiliate marketers. Optimizing for conversions, turning visitors into customers. Attracting traffic is just one piece of the puzzle. You need to convert visitors into paying customers. Design your website or landing pages with conversions in mind. Craft compelling calls to action that encourage clicks on your affiliate links. Use persuasive writing techniques that highlight the benefits of the products or services you promote. Continuous learning and adaptation, the keys to longevity. The affiliate marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Consumer behaviors and trends shift, and new strategies emerge. Stay ahead of the curve by actively monitoring your performance data and adapting your approach accordingly. Embrace lifelong learning and be willing to experiment with new tactics to maintain your competitive edge. By following these steps, building a successful affiliate marketing career is within your reach. Remember, success is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, create valuable content, and continually strive to improve your strategies. With dedication and the right approach, you can turn affiliate marketing into a rewarding and sustainable income stream. If you would like to sign up to Wealthy Affiliate using our affiliate link for free, no credit card, then click in the description just below this video. Cheers for now.